Alright, another day at the ball field. I'm starting right here. I'm going to try to do these last 5 yards on this half of the field and then go to that half. Alright, I got a nickel spotted here, but first I want to tell you that I'm trying out 3 screen protectors. This is the original, so it's high gloss. You get a lot of sunlight, reflection. This one over here is 50%, this one's 85%, and this one actually is impact and scratch resistance. So it's about 6 times thicker than these two. But anyway, just trying them out, deciding which one I want to sell on eBay. So anyway, that's about it on that. That's, if it looks a little funny, I wanted you to know. So here's that nickel. It's a perfect nickel hit right here. I didn't even look to see how deep it was. I can't tell as much on my audio since I have it where I can really hear it. It doesn't give me a good modulated tone where I can tell the depth with my ear. Oh, there it is right there. Just old Jeffy. Alright, I got a really deep quarter here. But it's screaming through. I got my sensitivity at 26 and I just noise canceled. Look at that. Four to 5 bars. Excellent trace. All right, I got some high squeaks out of it, but I don't know if it was consistently in the low to mid 90s to call it a silver, so I'm going to say a deep clad quarter. Deep clad quarter. Okay, center of the hole. I got it. 7 inches. There it is. Right there. Let's see what year it is. 86. Here's another crusty zinc. Crusty zinc. I think I hit it, or there's a rock under there or something. Hit something right down in here. Oh, it's a rock. Okay. Dang. All right. Where is it? There it is. Oh yeah, that's a real crusty zinc. Ain't nothing to it. Huh. Gone. 70. Looks like a dime or copper right here. I didn't see how deep it was. Okay, it must have been deep. Hit. There it is right here. See where it came out? Right there. Okay, it's just a copper. I thought it was a weedy. But it's down there 7 inches. Getting a real ugly one here. High nickel. 28, 29, 30. I got it opened all the way up, and every once in a while you'll see the red line. Real trashy. I'm getting it right there. Alright, let me be cognizant of my light. Crap. I just had it out. Wow. Piece of slaw that looks like a clown face or a monkey face. You guys see it? I think that's valuable. I'll put that with my corn chip that looks like Jesus. Alright, dime copper. Classic. Classic dime copper. Speaking of coppas, what's Bill Ladd been doing, guys? Do you know? Haven't really seen him on TV. What's that thing? Oh, it's another instrument piece. Like this, playing a trumpet. All right. I wonder if those are silver. You know, I bet those old ones are silver. Back when you couldn't give silver away. All right, getting a really strong, really jumpy though. 16, 17, but it's really strong. It's strong like big or recently dropped. Oh man, I see something here, some jewelry. Let me get out of the sun. Oh yeah. It looks like a bracelet. Yep, that's what it is. Surely that's not silver, it's got to be stainless, right? Said made in China. Stainless steel. She's a beauty. It's all there. It is all there. Huh. No name on it that I can see. I'll clean it up in the ultrasonic. Alright, I'll take it. We're getting a dime copper right here. Perfect trace. Okay. Oh, tough right there. Where? it's a ring. It's a ring. Looks like a class ring too. Oh no, it's a signet ring. Or, you know, it's great though. It's got initials on it. Can't quite make them out. Looks like a T. Maybe the whole name's on the inside. It's silver. It's silver. It's marked 925. There's some marking on this side too. Oh, made in China. Well, silver, silver. Okay. I can't make that out. I'll have to take a picture of it later and look. Oh, it's this way. No, that's a P. It's looks like D or IP. Yeah, I can't tell. Anyway, maybe I can find the owner. I don't know. Who knows? All right, I'm back at the truck. Got my messy truck. I got my Vanquish ready to go. Like if this battery dies or anything, Vanquish is a nice machine. I ain't getting rid of it. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this hunt. Please like and subscribe.